Now folks, unfortunately we're not going to be able to head all the way down into Lehman Place Junction today. We're still doing a little bit of work on that curve up just ahead. But it is an important stop, and I want to tell you a little bit of history about the area. It is the original route of the Philadelphia and Columbia Railroad, which became part of the mighty Pennsylvania Railroad back in 1857. Now it's an important stop on the Pennsy with more than 30 trains per day scheduled back in 1898. Today, more than a dozen trains still pass daily, but they don't even slow down. In the earliest days of railroading, when trains were pulled by horses, it was a horse changing station. Where the lumber company stands today used to stand Henry Lehman's Hotel, and he supplied fresh horses for those trains and refreshments for the passengers. Now, also worthy of note, back on February 22nd, 1861, a special train carrying Abraham and Mrs. Lincoln stopped here briefly, and he addressed a crowd of several thousand people as he journeyed to his destiny of Washington, D.C. A little more than 4 eventful years later, another special train passed in the opposite direction, bearing the same president's body on its sad journey back to Illinois. Now folks, while we're stopped here, if you wish, you may step into the center aisle and reverse your seat. The seat backs just swing over, and in just a couple of moments we'll be headed back into our East Strasburg station with one quick stop at Gross Area Picnic Grove. This is Crosser.
We're not getting on the train. The train will go all the way down and then come back. So there'll be more playtime after the train goes past. Okay?
Hey Ryan, stay right over there, right over here, pal.
This is kind of cool.
There. I hope it doesn't knock it over. Does the ground vibrate a little?
There was another railroad over in that direction.
Hey, look, another one.
The slow line or the slow railroad or whatever they call it.
A quarter. I found a flattened quarter.
Yeah, definitely.
Wow.
I'm going to keep it.
I can't tell what it is.
I'm going to keep it.
How do you know it's a quarter?
Here, I'll put it here. Because it's, like, big. Maybe you know. Dang, you know why? How there's a ghost train over there? Because there used to be a train track.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Thought you would blow your whistle there.
You know what that is?
I think so.
Katie, that hurts if it's on this way. Katie, no problem. Or you're coming from here.
My hair got too short yesterday.